we go. Driving at night down through Virginia, about to cross the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel system, going from Jersey down to Virginia Beach to deliver a load of bottled water. I thought it might be fun to ride across the bridge with me. Let's see. Sorry about that. Music was loud. What have I got going on? Not much changed. I've had a company truck. Jeff's driving it, and he's still running the same thing I'm doing. I hired him on to do some of my grocery run, but that kind of petered out. And what we're doing with this, a little bit better pay for him and me. So that's what we're doing. I rented a truck and put the insurance on it, so it's a pretty big investment right up front. But I did the same thing last fall, and it paid out pretty good. So Jeff's truck, wiring harness caught on fire, and so he's down and needing work. So I had this going and had enough room to add one more truck, so I put him on. He's been doing good. He's made 2 trips up there so far. He did 1 trip down to Georgia. He's used to running containers, being home right often, but he likes what he's doing right now, I think. He's talking about when his truck gets fixed, put it on with me as well. So we'll see. I may be I'm a 3-truck outfit right now anyway. Right here is the toll portion. Like I said, I run easy pay, so work only on vehicles. I looked it up online. It's $42. I may be in the wrong lane, but I don't think so. That's a square and put in. Let's clean that off. I guess I'm going to glare that help a lot. That's better, ain't it? And that will dry. There we go. Now shit, man. Made another video the other day. There, right here. What's that mean? Yeah. What do you? Yeah, I'm right at 80,000. She's saying that high wind advisory. There's my bills. I picked up 43,000 pounds of water. Well, but no, I don't want to fall off the side of that bridge. How much wind are we talking about in which direction? Which way is the wind blowing? From one portion to another? All righty, I appreciate you. Yes, ma'am. Well, there we go. Let's get her caught up on what happened. She's saying there's a high wind advisory which I knew there was, but this route is 90 miles shorter than to go through DC and Richmond and around. She's saying 40-mile-an-hour winds, high wind advisory, which it is. So you have to weigh so much. But I'm weighing right now 80,000. I got 43,000 pounds of bottled water. We're just going to ease, see what happens. She couldn't tell which direction the wind was blowing. I wanted to know. The way I kind of guided towards the other side of the wind in case I catch a gust. It'll put me in the wall. But we're going to roll across here nice and easy. I don't think I have to worry about the wind except on the bridges. I don't think the wind blows in that tunnel. Yeah, that other truck, he was empty, so he's going to have to sit there and either wait until the wind advisory, until the wind calms down. But she's talking about a storm. I know there's been a time or two trucks have been blown off this bridge. I'm just hoping it ain't me today, which it won't be, but I just hope it don't put me over into somebody. I have to be real careful with people passing on. Anyway, here we go across Chesapeake Bay Bridge. This place got it's bridge, then a tunnel, and then you pop out in the middle of a bridge, then it drops down into another tunnel, back to a bridge, back to land. And I'll let you know if I feel justice. But as I was saying before I got to the toll, I'd made a different video, but I got a phone call in the middle of it and lost the video. Sad. But had a lot of views on that, getting the JFK8 video. I hope that's helped some of you. I didn't see many comments, but just hope it has. Let's back off here a little bit. Torque. There we go. Set the old cruise control at about 50. Let's ease down through here, we think. Getting another trees moving right here. I don't know if you can see them over in the dark on the right or not.
Break from the ads. If you tap now to watch a short video.
Looks to be about 2-foot waves right there. Catch the rain. Pretty rough sea right there. I can't tell how much it's swelling. I ain't feel no gust yet. Heading to a truck stop never been to in Virginia Beach called Big Charlie's. Try that out. Pretty good seas right there. Good gracious. Be about 3-foot swells right there in the middle of it. I can tell the waves going up and down on the poles on the bridge on the left. It's hard to see at night, but excuse me. See that in there too far north. That's what I'm looking at, the waves on the pillars. Right there. White Castle top line. A little wind coming from the left there. Pushing steady. Bad. Oh, got a tunnel. straight pipes. Had a train for them. Y'all know what that means. Hold your breath. I don't know if I can show you the mirror, but it looks like my trailer is just about to the top of the tunnel. Hard to see. Okay, break. Break. I got a whole lot more weight on this side. Not that much. That much. Oh, all the rubber sheets on this side. And there. Yeah, seats are a lot rougher on this side. First time I ever took a truck across this thing. I've been across in the camper. I've been across in the car. First time I ever truck across it. Like you got paint staged up there on the right, like out of buckets and whatnot. That's what them little barrel looking things are. I'm guessing. Where they've repaved, now they got to paint the road. Ain't too bad.